Yo, what's up mga idolo? Kamusta sa inyong lahat guys? Then yes, finally na-unlock na natin ng max graphics ni Call of Duty. So dito, meron na tayong max graphics at saka max FPS. No root ito guys. 100% working sa mga naka Android 13 below. So dito guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko ginawa ito step by step. Let's go man! So yun guys, first step, meron akong link nilagay dyan sa comment section. I-download nyo yan, yan ang kailangan natin para ma-unlock ang max graphics ni Call of Duty. So pag na-download nyo na guys, install nyo lang, then open UG Phone. Pag nasa device na kayo, i-click nyo yung plus sign, then i-redeem nyo yung free 250 diamonds. Then after na-redeem nyo na, nandito na kayo. Then after nandito na kayo, punta kayo sa Google Play Store. I-login nyo yung account nyo para mag-download dito ng Call of Duty at saka Z-Archiver. So yun lang, sundin nyo lang guys, step by step tayo. Then punta kayo sa Google Chrome, i-search nyo yung GL Tools at i-download nyo.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant.
Pagkatapos nyo na-download guys, click mo yung parang yung parang wifi na icon. Then click mo yung root management.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I
Yo, what's up mga idol? Gusto nyo ba manalo ng smartphone? Like Apple brand or kaya Huawei brand? Mga high-end device? If yes, dito lang yan nitong It's Go. Sa paglalaro ng Tongits Go pwede ka dito makapag-exchange ng mga electronic products. Like iPhone, MacBook, and Android smartphone. Malay mo isa ka sa manalo sa event nitong It's Go ngayon Pasko na manalo ng smartphone. At para makapaglaro ng maayos, isa na rin ako na sumali at sana nga mapili at para mapalitan ko na rin tong mid-range device ko hihihi. Maraming paraan para makapag-exchange tayo ng electronic products. Kagaya ng Go Stars, kapag ikaw mahilig mag-grind ni Tongits Go makakuha ka ng Go Stars, at yung Go Stars ay pwede mo i-redeem ng mga smartphone, yes and it's legit. Pwede mo rin i-exchange ng load. At yung load pwede mo pambili sa mall points, para makapagbili ka ng diamonds sa ML, at COD points sa CODM. Basta laging tandaan, grind lang ng grind, sumali sa mga event at ranked games, para makaipan ng maraming Go Stars. At yung Go Stars ikaw na bahala kung ano ang gusto mo i-exchange. So yun lang mga idolo, download tong It's Go in my referral link. Para makakuha ka ng extra 200 Go Stars na pwede mo agad i-exchange ng 200 load. Download Tongits Go link in the pin comment.
Staying up when I go out. You gotta know I'm all